Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of English with Confidence, the podcast where we help you grow, improve, and strengthen your English skills step by step, gently and confidently.
That's right. I'm your host, Daniel.
And I'm your co-host, Sarah. And today we're taking you inside one of our slow, simple, relaxed English learning sessions. This episode is designed especially for beginner and lower intermediate learners, or anyone who enjoys a calm, friendly way to improve. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, English with Confidence, so you never miss an episode, lesson, or guided practice session. Absolutely. And remember, every time you subscribe, like, or share, you help more learners around the world grow their English skills with us.
Let's begin by slowing down just a little. Take a breath. Get comfortable. This is your space to learn English without pressure.
In today's Slow English class, we're going to practice simple sentences, everyday expressions, and short dialogues. We'll also explain the meaning of words, give examples, and help you repeat clearly. Remember, the goal is not speed. The goal is clarity.
That's right. Clarity leads to confidence, and confidence leads to real communication. Let's start with some basic English greetings. We'll say them slowly, then we'll repeat them naturally.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Now naturally. Hello, how are you?
You can repeat with us. Ready? Slowly. Hello. How are you?
Good. Very good.
Second phrase. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Great job. Now let's practice introducing ourselves.
The sentence structure is simple. My name is, and then your name.
My name is.
My name is Daniel.
It doesn't matter if your pronunciation isn't perfect. What matters is that you try.
In a slow English class, you might hear phrases like, please repeat. Can you say that again? I don't understand. What does this mean?
Let's say each phrase slowly.
Please. Repeat.
Can you say that again? I don't understand. What does this mean?
These phrases are extremely useful. Don't hesitate to use them in real conversation.
Now, let's do a simple dialogue between two people meeting for the first time.
I'll be person A.
And I'll be person B.
Hi, my name is Daniel. What's your name?
Hello, Daniel. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
This is a clean, easy structure you can use anywhere.
Let's learn 5 slow English vocabulary words.
Relax. To become calm and comfortable.
I relax after work.
Practice. Meaning to repeat something so you improve.
I practice English every day.
Repeat. Meaning to say something again. Please repeat your name. Understand. Meaning to know the meaning of something.
I understand this lesson.
Confidence. Meaning feeling sure and comfortable with yourself.
Example. I speak English with confidence.
Now let's do a slow repetition exercise. We will say a sentence, then pause. You can repeat after us or just listen.
I am learning English.
I can speak slowly.
I want to improve.
I practice every day.
I speak with confidence.
Relax your voice. Slow your pace.
This is how strong communication skills are built.
Now it's time for a longer practice story.
Listen slowly. Let the words flow.
Maria is a new English learner. She studies every morning before work. She listens to slow English podcasts, reads simple books, and practices with her friends. Remember, learning English is not a race.
It's a journey, and you're doing great.
Truly, really you are.
Let's finish with a few positive affirmations. Repeat after us if you want.
I am improving.
I am learning.
I can speak English.
I speak with confidence. Thank you for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this slow English class, be sure to follow, subscribe, and share English with confidence.
We're here every week to help you grow. Slowly, clearly.
Confidently.
Until next time.
Bye, and keep learning confidently.